Thought I met you at the wrong time. Then you caught me on that one night.
Hi guys, so I hope you guys can see me. So yeah, good afternoon. I'm at the airport. I just came into the airport to pick hobby travel. I didn't vlog about it. I've just been not in the mood to vlog. I don't know, and I've just been busy with my business. Really, I'm trying to create new products, so I have to put in more time, you know, and it's affecting my business plus family. But don't worry, I promise to do better. So I'm at the Abuja airport, or Dry airport, to pick up the boo. He traveled on Tuesday, and guys, it felt like he traveled for like 1 year, because even the kids are just being dramatic about it. They're just like, Dad, you know, excited. They woke up this morning very, very happy. Even though me, I woke up very happy, I will not lie. But you know the funny thing, let me know in the comment section if you're like me, because hubby travels a lot. When he's with me, sometimes I'll be like, let him travel, let me miss him small. And then he travels and I'm like, what did I use my mouth to say? Let me know in the comment section. Like in general, not just for hobby, like in life, are you the kind of person that you're like, I beg, I don't tire, and then when the thing you're tired of doesn't happen, or doesn't happen again, you're like, hey God, you know. So yeah, I hope he has landed anyways, but he's not calling me. That means he's still trying to get his belongings, which is annoying, because I thought I left a bit later than when he called me. I thought I was just going to come and then I'm just going to, you know, start going. I'll just pick him, like he'll be the one waiting for me and I'll just pick him and start going home, but it's not the case. So yeah, from here I'm going to see my friend Ella. She just had a baby boy. So my uni friend, very good friends, we're very good friends. So I'm going to see her. I don't know if I'm going to be able to vlog her and her baby, but let's see how that goes. Anyways, so yeah, today is rowdy at the airport. It's like a lot of people came back from travel. Campus, there's a woman just staring at me with so much like, Luna. How far?
I'm coming.
Have you carried your bag?
I'm waiting for Malu.
The Jina said I'm coming, like you are coming out.
Calm down now, your blood is hot.
Baby, which one is okay? Man, say your own blood is not hot. Yeah, no, bye. It's not hot.
I'm going to play the go back.
Hey, please, annoying me. Annoying me. Bye bye. Me, please, baby, I don't want to faint. Hey. I already faint.
I was the last person, though. The way people were trying to move with me. When I came, the man also said, let's be appropriate here. Look at that come. So they play, because they play them to wait.
Yeah, child, that's nice. Oh, God.
We were trying to do this kind of I got to kill the man also. I said, Abuja, I was going to come and I'll call the flight. So they are public, they cannot listen. Yeah,
thank God. I've already given up, seriously. Oh,
I was driving, eh? Okay, you know what, I'll call you,
Alright, babe, alright. Do you know how people are just looking at myself coming on?
Oh, they look at you.
Then you will not see my beauty.
Relax first now.
Maybe you're supposed to see my you're supposed to see my stunning beauty. Maybe.
See my own.
Maybe, but I admired you.
What did you say?
I haven't touched you.
No, I not touch you.
No, they be not touch me.
I know, but I even hugged you. Let's see who did pass. And people can hug you, you hug me. And let's be doing now, who do pass.
Maybe, you know, your bag was blocking me. That's why I don't know how to hug you. Maybe I hug you on your bag. You carried your bag.
I want that. I say, God damn it. They say for no, guys, they say people up and down.
So I know you guys cannot see me very well. It's dark, it's late already. But okay, so let me update you guys. I went to see my friend, but I couldn't vlog because somehow but I'm still going to see her on Monday. And then I went to my friend's salon, hair by Deka, to go and drop her tummy wrap and collect something from her. So I'm traveling soon to Lagos. Hi guys. Hi guys, it's me. Let me turn on my display. Okay, so I don't know why they can't see you. So we're actually out, guys. Just I, Jina and Ife. We're actually at a friend's baby's birthday party.
What? Friend's baby's birthday party?
Yeah, my friend's baby though. Do you know the funny thing? The baby turned 1 and my Ola is 1, but I didn't carry Ola because I don't want stress.
I know, it will take a little long time.
So
It will take a long time to set things and all that.
because
Ola needs a lot of things. Because a baby,
not just Ola, a baby in general.
yeah, but baby,
Ola can
it'll
never
waste your
stop.
time.
Ola can
Hope I
never
look good.
stop.
So I'm going to take you guys along anyways, alright?
Where can I
Bye.
pass? The road.
Hold your sister. Hi. So you're in Abuja? Yes, so people should be in Abuja and be happy. I will not be seeing you people.
Beautiful, I like that. Jason, blow. Shot, blow. It has to burst. 3 of you. Hello?
Yes, the fish. You want?
Ladies and gentlemen,
Why?
please be careful with your belongings again, yeah? Make sure you're holding this is a very
Hey guys, so we're back home. No, you can't come.
Yeah!
I don't think this. Okay, they saw you guys when you guys were playing, yeah.
It was so fun. I even got the aeroplane.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I wish we could open it.
We're gonna open it, but maybe not today.
But Mom, I thought we were gonna show the fun and open it.
Oh.
And just close it back and keep it back in the pack.
Okay.
Yes!
Okay. What happened today? Somebody actually bought soap because the person came to me and was telling me that my skin was really nice and glowing, right?
Yes.
And the person actually bought soap. That's the person that gave me money, remember?
Yes.
That bought the balloon for you guys.
Yes.
Yeah. So we got these 3 party packs, one for Jina, one for Ife, and one for Ola.
But Mom, which one is mine?
I don't know. You take anyone you like.
Yeah, what about the
I just put my
Don't worry
drink.
with you.
I just put my drink because I just.
I wanted to have the drink. That's
Then
why
I actually put this one, the one that the aeroplane is for Ife, and then I brought this for you.
Me?
Yes.
But it's blue. It's a glasses. Yes, Gina has glasses. No.
Can't you have blue glasses?
Gina can have it. It doesn't look fine.
It looks okay. You think it look fine?
Ooh, stylish, Gina. Hey, that's funny.
It looks stylish too.
Can we try this thing now?
I don't know how to.
Me, I know how to open it, and I know how to fix it.
So the party packs, they just has this notebook
For drawing.
and I took from my friend. I don't know what it is. They said the name is Animal Toys. I don't know what.
Animal toys.
Let me show you
see.
guys. Okay.